Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to block ads on your Google Chrome. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. In order to block ads on Google Chrome, first go ahead and open the Google Chrome web browser on your desktop. You can also do this on your mobile phone. Once you click open the web browser, go and click on the three dots at the upper right corner. Now, scroll all the way down and click Settings, and this will open the settings page on your Google Chrome. From this page, scroll all the way down and click on Advanced. Now, from this page, click on Privacy and Security option at the left-hand side menu. Under Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. From this page, scroll all the way down to Additional Content Settings. And from the drop-down, click on Ads. Now, under Default Behavior, click on Block Ads on site that shows intrusive or misleading ads, which is labeled as recommended. Now go back and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Again, into the Pop-ups and Redirects page, click on Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. And after you perform this action, the Google Chrome has blocked obtrusive ads as well as pop-up ads. And with this, you'll be able to block ads on Google Chrome quick and easy and operate Google Chrome without any kind of a disturbance. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.